Hello, Luis. Hello, teacher. We talk about the conversation of the coronavirus. The first question is, what do you know about the coronavirus? How did it spread? Symptoms, vaccines, medication, treatment, protect other self-isolation, quarantine.
Hello, Beatrice.
Tell me, Luis.
I know it's a virus that started in China. It also transmitted from person to person. There is no specific treatment for the virus. And you, Beatrice?
Okay, at present, this virus called coronavirus is not very well known. According to review the article, coronavirus is the more recently discovered infections. This is the cause of the coronavirus. This virus starting in China. Currently, COVID-19 is a pandemic that affects many countries around the world.
Oh, how serious is a pandemic disease?
Okay, Luis, I think that a pandemic disease is very serious because it is know where it come from and what is the cure to infect the people. And
Okay.
you, what
Uh,
do?
My opinion is serious because it's not offered on one country, but affect globally.
I agree with you, Luis. Okay, World Health Organization Europe is known to have developed food and exercise to keep to help people. What do you know about that? What food and exercise is good in these times?
I don't really know much about the diet, diet. However, it's proven that exercise and healthy diet are good for preventing different diseases. Are you, Beatrice?
According to WHO, it has found new advice on that exercise that all people should apply, such as wash your hands frequently, adopt respiratory hygiene measure, maintain social distancing, avoid touching edges, nose, and mouth, stay informed and follow the recommendation of healthcare professionals. That diet must be rich in proteins and vitamins that help strengthen the immune system and constantly perform the exercise that help reduce weight. This point is very important since overweight people are the one who are the most prone contracting infections.
Um, Beatrice, what can government do you prevent slow transmission?
In my opinion, the government should have more prevention rules for people until they can find a cure or they can also take preventive measures to go outside. I believe that advertisements for the prevention of COVID-19 should also be shown on television.
Uh, in,
And you, what about you, Luis?
in my opinion, the government should carry out rapid tests in their house to know who has the videos and to be able to carry out focused quarantine.
I agree with you. Okay, tell me, Luis, do you think science or biologists will find a cure for the coronavirus?
Uh, I also yes, and they will find treatment and also vaccine to prevent it. And the vaccine is already advancing in se- several countries. And you, Beatrice?
Uh, I think I think so. I agree with you because they are already carrying out series of vaccine against COVID-19 to eliminate. For example, we have the case of Russia, which is developing a very effective vaccine for a people. Um, the the last
Uh,
question.
In your opinion, what are the main challenges that COVID-19 has brought to our health systems?
Well, in my opinion, this diseases have made us aware that our health system is very deficient, and this is reflected in the consequence of the high percentage of deaths in Peru. In hospital, the absence of medicine, oxygen balloons, and UC beds has shown us that our health system is very deficient, and we have to improve a lot on these issues. And you, Luis?
In my opinion, the biggest challenge for the health system is that it's not prepared for pandemic because it doesn't has no medicine, medic, and APP.
Okay, it's all. Thank you very much.
Bye.